Ever felt your Chromebook flying fast, but your mouse holding you back? Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best mouse for Chromebook that boosts speed, comfort, and control instantly. Welcome back to the channel. Check the links in the description to grab the perfect pick for you. On number 5 is TECKNET Wireless Mouse. What if I told you most Chromebook users choose the wrong mouse and never realize it? That frustration ends here. The TECKNET Wireless Mouse steps in as a quiet hero, and that is exactly why it earns a spot among our top Chromebook-friendly picks. Right away, it solves the biggest problem people face before buying: lag, hand fatigue, and unreliable connection. In real daily use, it feels stable, responsive, and surprisingly comfortable, giving that sense of relief and control you want while working or studying. As compared with others, it focuses less on flashy extras and more on real-world comfort and battery efficiency, which honestly matters more. Priced at $13.99, it feels like a smart, safe choice. We recommend gear that proves itself in everyday use, and this one does. If you want dependable performance and peace of mind, this is worth buying. If you crave premium design, you may look elsewhere. At number 4 is Logitech M317. Did you know many Chromebook users blame Chrome OS when the real problem is a poor mouse choice? The Logitech M317 changes that story fast. Built for smooth scrolling and precise optical tracking, it immediately removes that shaky, frustrating cursor feeling people worry about before buying. In daily Chromebook use, it feels calm, controlled, and reassuring, giving you confidence with every click. As compared with others, it skips unnecessary flash and focuses on comfort, long battery life lasting up to 1 year, and a rock-solid wireless connection reaching 33 feet. Priced at $16.99, it feels like a smart and safe investment. We recommend tools that prove their value in real routines, and this one delivers. If you want reliability and peace of mind, buy it. If you want bold styling, this may not be for you. On number 3 is wegear Bluetooth Mouse. What if I told you most Chromebook users still think lag and pairing issues are normal? The wegear Bluetooth mouse proves they are not. From the first click, it removes the fear people have before buying: unstable connection and poor control. Bluetooth 5.0 pairing is instant, calm, and reliable within 10-meter range, creating real peace of mind. Daily tasks feel smoother thanks to adjustable sensitivity levels at 800, 1200, and 1600 dots per inch, tested for real-world comfort. As compared with others, it balances portability and precision better, though it is not built for large hands. Priced at $13.99, it feels like a smart and safe choice. We suggest gear that earns trust through use, and this one does. Ideal for students and remote workers, power users may want more heft. At number 2 is HP X3000 G3 Wireless Mouse. What if I told you most Chromebook users struggle not because of the device, but because of an uncomfortable mouse? The HP X3000 G3 Wireless Mouse fixes that quietly and confidently. From the first glide, it solves the pre-buy fear of poor tracking and hand strain with smooth, multi-surface control and a balanced shape that feels safe and familiar. In daily Chromebook work, the 1600 dots per inch sensor feels steady and reassuring, tested for real-world comfort. As compared with others, it delivers stronger battery confidence, lasting up to 15 months, though it skips advanced customization. Priced at $14.99, it feels like a smart, low-risk decision. We guide viewers toward tools that truly earn trust through use, and this one does. Ideal for students and office users, gamers may want more control. Now moving to the last one is RAPIQUE Bluetooth Mouse. What if I told you your Chromebook can feel brand new just by switching to the right mouse? The RAPIQUE Bluetooth Mouse delivers that relief instantly. It solves the biggest pre-buy worry, juggling multiple devices, by smoothly switching between 3 connections without stress. Tested for real-world comfort, daily use feels calm and controlled with silent clicks and adjustable sensitivity at 800, 1200, and 1600 dots per inch, making work feel lighter and safer. As compared with others, it offers more flexibility and a rechargeable battery, though the bold design may not suit minimalists. Priced at $19.99, it feels like a smart and confident choice. We guide viewers toward tools that earn trust through experience, and this one does. Ideal for multitaskers, simple users may not need its versatility. The winner is the RAPIQUE Bluetooth Mouse. You should buy this one because it solves more real Chromebook problems than the others. It removes connection anxiety with triple device switching, delivers silent clicks for focused work, and offers rechargeable convenience that saves money long term. The adjustable sensitivity feels smooth and controlled, giving instant relief and confidence. While others focus on basics, this one adds flexibility without sacrificing comfort. If you multitask, travel, or want peace of mind from one smart purchase, this choice simply makes makes sense. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best mouse for Chromebook. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.